Hi, in this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to get different and stylish fonts for your YouTube video title. So right now I'll show you the easiest process to get stylish fonts without downloading any app. First of all, on your mobile you have to open a browser, and in your browser search for fancy font generator. Search for this keyword, and then as a result here you will find lots of websites where you can easily generate fancy fonts for your YouTube video title. So we are going to use this first website. Once you are in the website, tap on this normal text box, and in here you have to type your font. And then here scroll down, and here you will find lots of thousands of fancy fonts. You can easily copy and paste any of them into your YouTube video title. Let's copy this font. Just hard press on the font and select the font like this and just tap on copy. Once the font successfully copied, go to your YouTube, and you have to go to your YouTube video. For example, I'm going to opening a random video here and showing you by posting a comment. So here's in this comment box, pasting the font, and as you can see, the comment has been successfully posted in fancy letter. So the same way you will be able to easily copy and paste any fancy letters or fancy font for your YouTube video title. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.